Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah's peace and blessings be with you. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic. This is regarding living life inside out. We all are human beings living in a challenging world, coming from different backgrounds. The world is full of information, and mostly we find ourselves encircled with lies, rumors, gossips, and so many other negative things, so forth and so on. As a result, we start living on energy-consuming negative factors such as being judgmental. We start judging people. We become great critics. We criticize people for nothing. We get angry soon and get disappointed. We think we are great failures, and as a result, we start living in a fabricated mindset, in an illusionary world, being very stubborn, putting negative labels on people, and finally, we lose hope. We lose hope in our Creator and lead ourselves towards the unknown island of sadness and miseries. We totally forget our Creator and start pouring out the blames, gossips, and whatever negativity we have. Now, a question arises. Do we trust our Creator? Trusting our Creator is very important, as trust in Him alone can bring back peace in our lives. Without peace, life will be like a vehicle without brakes. What we need is to reorganize the signs which are flooded everywhere. This is the time when we need to feel and contemplate. The whole universe is there to prove His existence, the existence of our Creator, the existence of our Lord, who is greatest. Without His will, nothing happens, and it is in the remembrance of Allah. It is in His remembrance the hearts find peace. Allah is the source of peace. Hearts do accept the truth, but the problem is that we keep controlling and keep suppressing the truth, the reality, which is crystal clear. And the reason we give is that we have always done it this way. I mean, the belief system is just related to the forefathers, and we don't want to reflect on the reality and keep ourselves connected to the falsehood. In the end, regrets envelops us, and from moment to moment, we regret the chances we did not take, and the crystal clear truth we did not accept. Moving forward to a devastating stage when we wish to go back in the past, but it's too late. Slowly, truth starts popping up and falsehood starts perishing. My advice is never regret, as life will take you to a better tomorrow, holding you responsible for your actions today. The power you have is today. The power is now. Now to choose your perception from negative to positive, from falsehood to truthfulness, which is crystal clear, glittering. Discover the world of reality. Embrace, accept the reality. Be honest to yourselves. Stop denying, please. Stop denying. May God guide us and take us out from the darkness of falsehood. May God take us out from this darkness of falsehood towards the light of truth. The power lies in the belief that La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is none worthy of worship except Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. It's time to contemplate and submit ourselves to the will of our Creator, Allah. And let us conclude by listening to this beautiful azan, call for prayers.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله. أشهد أن